Good morning. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have not filmed a video like this in a very long time, but I absolutely love watching videos like this. These are the videos that I binge the most on YouTube, so very excited to film one for you guys today. I woke up this morning and I was like, I need to deep clean this house. Honestly, I've been thinking that for a while, but now that spring's around the corner, I'm like, okay, we need to do a spring cleaning, and I thought I would film it for you guys. There's nothing more inspirational or motivational than watching someone deep clean their house. It always inspires me to do a deep clean, so I hope that this video inspires you. If you guys just want to turn this video on in the background while you deep clean with me, or sit down, grab a snack, and just like veg out while you watch me clean, either way, we will be spending the next chunk of time together while I deep clean my entire house. Luckily, I have a pretty small house. Our house only has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. The day where we have a bigger house, I am scared because it takes a lot of time just for me to maintain a clean household with the small house that we have. So I cannot imagine having 3, 4, 5 bedrooms, 3+ bathrooms. Like, your girl's gonna probably have to hire some help because having a baby and trying to keep a house clean is a task. First things first is some skincare this morning while I drink my coffee. I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Modak. Modak is a financial technology platform where parents can manage things like chores, allowance, savings, all while kids can learn and get rewarded. I really like the idea and the inspiration behind this brand because I think financial literacy, learning financial literacy at an early age is so important. I feel like a lot of the challenges that we face today, a lot of the challenges that kids face is due to a lack of financial literacy at an early age and a lack of tools to build that financial literacy. This platform is so cool because kids can earn rewards while they're learning about different financial topics, all while practicing healthy habits like walking, reading, and more. For example, kids can turn steps into dollars by practicing a goal like walking 5,000 steps a day. And it's really fun for the kids because they can receive their own card with their own design of their choosing and their own name on it. And it can actually be added to Apple Pay or Google Pay, and it has spend monitoring for the parents. Modak is more than just a money app though. Like I said before, it's a place where parents can go to manage things like chores, their kids' allowance, their savings, and of course it's a place where they can fund their kids' account. So kids can learn and get rewarded all with no monthly fees. I really wish that I had something like this whenever I was a kid because I feel like I did not have a lot of financial literacy until I was much, much older. And I think it is so important, especially in this day and age, to be teaching those tools young. It's also fun for the kids. It gives them something to work towards, gives them a goal, and it also helps them practice those healthy habits. While Jack is a little young for this yet, whenever he is a little bit older, I cannot wait to use the Modak platform to, one, help monitor things like his savings, allowance, chores, but also for him to have a platform where he can reach goals for himself, he can learn a little bit of financial tools, and overall just learn that sense of responsibility at a young age. If this sounds like something that you would be interested, anyone who signs up using my code MadisonMarian I'll have on the screen, requests the physical card, and makes their first fund, will get a $10 reward in their Modak account. I will have the Modak app and website linked down in the description box below.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm
Vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken. If suffering's a way to earn your keep, I better start putting miles on my feet. But I'm so tired of wandering. Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living. Yeah, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven? I thought by now pain would be my friend. I know that discomfort was a means to an end, but I'm lying in a warm bed. No, I'm lost, but I'm living. No, I'm lost. Can I be forgiven? Thought can I be forgiven?
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now that it's ended. Nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late. And why do we care to dream? We gotta believe it is not too late. I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
Living life like a high life, everything is just top notch. I can make it to the finish line, completely effortless. I can see you on the seaside, straight back like a bright one. Let me know what you're thinking of when your eyes are closed. I need to find out what's hiding underneath, 'cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your wall, so I know something's going on. So hear me say, your influence, my power, baby. Only a matter of time before you're mine. Yeah. I don't want to disturb you. Got a flame that will burn you. Take your time and let it out. Speak up your mind. Know the truth can be hurtful. Take us down down to the bottom. Don't ignore what's in front of you. I could be the one. Your lips are silent, but I hear you. 'Cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your wall, so I know something's going on. So hear me say, your info is my power, baby. Only a matter of time before you're mine. I know people have tried, but none of them is like me, yeah. A fraction of time will never be enough to read your map. 'Cause I got some questions that you got the answer to. Holes in your wall, so I know something's going on. So hear me say, your info is my power, baby. Oh,